I'm Phil from New Zealand, and this is my TechPro router. It features auto tool changing, a 6 kilowatt spindle, and a 3 meter by 1500 bed with vacuum table. I really love this machine. It's been easy to use, easy to program. The guys at TechPro support me very well. I thoroughly recommend the brand, and I will buy another one again.
I love this router. The purchase and shipping is straightforward from China to New Zealand. Even the programming has been pretty easy with the help of the awesome tech team at TechPro. I've been doing various test cuts. The XY axis cutting of plywood is excellent and edge detail is superb. I've even done fine engraving with 3mm cutters, 0.2mm into the top of HPL. Here are some of my first 3D cuts with the router. A roughen cut followed by a fine cut, which is not too bad for plywood. I also run a saw blade that is scary at first, but it cuts like butter. I highly recommend the TechPro router.